Oh, Richard III. Hi, I'm Gabe with Manly Bands. Today we're going to slow it down a bit and talk about something really important. 3 ways to be a gentleman in today's modern society. Number 1, open doors for others. Doesn't take long, easy to do. Number 2, walk on the roadside of the sidewalk. Protect your friends from that oncoming traffic. And number 3, wearing the gentleman from manlybands.com, which is what is inside this box and we're going to be talking about today. The gentleman is perfect, of course, for enjoying a glass of port on a porch on a winter's evening or reading illustrated Shakespeare. Just the pictures. Inside, we've got our Welcome to Manly Bands card, which telling you you're handsome and wonderful, and also providing you with customer support numbers and QR codes if you're a mega nerd, and our social media handles. So, if you love your ring, take a picture of it, post it on social media, and enjoy us in that space. You can do that. Don't join us, enjoy us. Inside, the gentleman, 18 karat rose gold plated tungsten with a classic satin finish. Now, I'm holding up 2 rings because the gentleman comes in 2 different widths. We got 6mm, we got 8mm. So whether you like it thick or thin, we got you covered. Talking about deli meats, of course, and nothing else. The gentleman, there it is. Also included with every purchase is our black silicone band, which would be a perfect fit, just like the ring that you ordered. And we also have some promotional materials. One of them being from our sister site, Rosie Ray, for all the ladies that are looking for a fantastic ring for themselves or a friend or family member, and other promotional materials as the season permits or dictates. That's how we roll. And those go in the box, but that's all right. The gentleman at manlybands.com. Check it out.